Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really cool and detailed for all the diecast lovers out there. Don't miss out. Watch till the end for some amazing AI-generated videos. So here's the box. We're unboxing the Race Trailer Set Bilstein Variant Edition made by Majorette Brand. This one includes a Land Rover Defender 110, a Jaguar F-Type, and a race car carrying trailer. Let's jump right in. It looks super vibrant. This is the Bilstein variant, one of 6 versions available in this Majorette Race Trailer series. I picked this one because the color combination is just perfect. Black, yellow, blue, and silver. It really pops. This Majorette Race Trailer Set, Bilstein Edition, is made in Thailand and marketed in India. This is the Bilstein variant, one of 6 versions available in this Majorette Race Trailer series. If you love die-cast models with realistic designs and bright color schemes, this one's definitely worth checking out. First up, we have the Land Rover Defender 110. This is the front look of the car with Land Rover brand badge in green color and the variant called Defender in silver letters. The build quality is great, and the sticker detailing is sharp and clean. Now, in terms of features, the doors don't open and there's no pushback function. At the back, there's a hook to attach the trailer, which makes it look ready to tow the race car. Simple, but realistic. The scale is 1:60. And the entire body is made of metal, which feels really solid in hand. Just look at that. The black finish with yellow and blue racing stripes gives it such a strong, rugged look. This feature you can find in present new generation car. But the bonnet can open, which is a nice touch. And there's no pushback function. Next, we've got the Jaguar F-Type, a true sports beauty. This one's in bright yellow with blue racing stripes, and the detailing again is really impressive. It's slightly larger at a 1:59 scale. Detailing of the tires is good here. The front side with Jaguar brand badge in red color here. And just like the Land Rover, it has a full metal body, so it feels premium. The back side, the Jaguar symbol, and the variant name F-Type is here. The doors open, which adds a nice interactive touch. Look at the interior, it's good. But again, no pushback function here. Still, the overall finish and paint quality are fantastic. And here's the race trailer. This part is made entirely of plastic, but it's nicely detailed. The yellow and silver combination, along with light blue and dark blue stripes, really ties the whole set together. One small downside, they didn't include a joint link to connect the Land Rover and trailer directly, which would have made it perfect. But still, it looks great as a display piece. Here it opens the trailer door to park the car inside. To sum it up, this Majorette Race Trailer Set Bilstein Edition is made in Thailand and marketed in India. The overall quality is solid, the paintwork is detailed, and the combination of the Land Rover Defender 110, Jaguar F-Type, and Race Trailer makes it a standout addition for any collector. If you love diecast models with realistic designs and bright color schemes, this one's definitely worth checking out. Unleash your curiosity with stunning AI-created footage. Alright guys, that's it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more diecast reviews, and drop a comment below. Tell me which variant you'd pick from the Majorette Race Trailer series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy collecting!